Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my JewelScent, Jewels of America subscription box, and it did come a little banged up. I think it might be broken. I heard it like jingle jangle whenever I was taking it out of the bubble wrapper. So we'll see. Something definitely, yeah, I see glass. This is the second time I believe that's happened. So I will have to probably send them a picture and email them, and they'll send me out another one, but I'm going to go ahead and dig the ring out anyways. So, Kentucky, the Bluegrass State, Derby Julep. So is this supposed to smell like roses? We'll see. Did get a sticker. Actually got two of them. So let's go ahead and do that first. Let's put the sticker on there. We actually, our most recent vacation was to Kentucky, and we had a blast. So, Jackson wants to go back. Let's see what our bonus item is. Oh, cool! Got a bracelet? So instead of putting like an extra product like a body cream or scent beads, they gave us a bracelet. That's pretty neat. Is that another sticker? I went a little heavy on the Kentucky stickers this month. That's pretty cool looking. I like that. I'm not sure I'll get much wear out of it, but I think it's pretty. It has like a spring. How am I going to get this thing on me? Let's see. I have pretty thin wrists. So yeah, that's cool. I like that. I like the color combination of it. Let's see if I can get this darn thing off. Okay, that was difficult. Let's carefully... Oh man, it is like broke. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna have to throw the whole box away. Not gonna try to shake out the glass. It is shattered. So I never thought that they wrap these well, but typically they come okay. Like I said, this is like all the packaging they have is this. They should really use like a bubble wrap of some sort. The ring is right there. So how about... I'm going to stop and take a picture real quick so they can see. So they know I'm not lying. Picture has been taken. And I know that I always say, don't take out the ring. How can you not? Like, I'm being semi-careful. Maybe I should put gloves on, but how can you not? I really kind of want to scoop out wax and make tarts, but I guess there might be glass shards in it. I don't know. Let me see what it smells like, by the way. Yeah, it does kind of smell like floral. It smells good, though. I don't like all florals. So this is probably going to be like the shortest reveal video. I normally have to put it on the warmer and light it and all that stuff. Let me get a napkin. I feel like I'm not very well prepared for it because I'm used to just showing it and then coming back later. Oh, is it earrings? So they did change it where you're not guaranteed a ring. You might get a necklace. Looks like we got earrings this time. And I guess they also changed the fact that it could be another piece of jewelry instead of an extra product. I don't know. I kind of like the extra product. I do think that bracelet's cool, but PP36, that's the $40 code. But this subscription is kind of expensive. You do get a big candle, but I'd kind of want to see an extra product. Even if it doesn't have jewelry in that extra product, I still think I like that better. These are cute earrings. They're plain silver. Is one bent too? Looks a little bent. Maybe it's not. But there are pretty pink stones inside. The rest is silver, and yes, they would appraise for $40. It's actually stamped right inside there. It looks like it might say 925. It's very close together, so it's hard to tell. Which none of their stuff ever is sterling silver, isn't stamped at least. Not even the $40 rings, I don't think. But that's interesting. Maybe they've started to do sterling silver. So yeah, that's what I got. Kentucky was the month. Got a pair of earrings and got a bracelet and a broken candle that I will get replaced. So yeah, I'll probably do a different reveal video maybe for the candle they send me. I don't know, it might all be the same. I guess I'll film it. If I won't post it if it's the same thing, because that's boring. But there's a different piece of jewelry in it that I'll post that video individually. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to sign up for the subscription. It's fun. I like that they do a different state every month. I don't know what the state is next month. They normally tell you a little bit ahead of time. I haven't checked though. But yeah, I've done them all so far. So check out my playlist and a link below in case you want to order. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.